VCDs. That is your area, Dave.
Oh my God, DVDs.
How much are
number one?
your box sets?
Box sets are $1.
$1 each. Morning. Nope.
No, take your time.
I don't know if it's working.
How much are the DVDs? 50 cents.
Are you sure? Yeah. Well, they love taking pictures.
Yeah.
Well, they're obsessed with that. One for each. That's okay. There you go. Thank you. No problem.
Do you have any video game stuff at all?
Sorry?
Any video game stuff?
Yeah. eBay?
Sorry?
eBay? For eBay?
No, I collect video game stuff.
okay.
Yeah.
Good luck today. Thank you.
Thank you.
How much is that?
$1.
Okay, $1.
Not special.
Yeah. I saw the action figures. I like old action figures too. I collect.
It sounds like an eBay seller. That's why I asked.
Oh. No, I do sell on eBay, but I collect video games personally myself. So I got a collection of about 2,000 games.
2,000 games?
Yeah. I have every system throughout the years, so that's why.
Oh, actually, I have some.
What do we got here? Gideon. Have those. What do you ask in the games?
I don't know, give me a bread.
Bonjour, bitte la janvier.
I'd probably be interested in those three if you want to sell those three.
Just these three?
Yeah.
How about 15 bucks for everything?
15 bucks? Yeah, I don't really, I have a lot of these and I don't really, yeah, I would just be interested in those three. $5?
7.
7?
Yeah.
All right, I'll do 7. All right. You want to cash me out here then?
Yes.
So,
10, 10.50.
got 50 cents on me. Let me see.
Okay, 10. That's fine.
There you go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for bringing those out. I appreciate it, sir.
No problem. Thank you.
Thank you.
How much are the shoes?
15.
15.
They were hers. She barely wore them.
You do 10 for him?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
fine.
Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you.
Oh, right. All the same.
How much is that?
Two.
$2. Cool.
30, isn't it, Barb?
For 25 years, all I did was travel everywhere. I used to love when I first started going to Canada and stuff. The exchange rate was I could take 300 and exchange it to 600 almost today, and then go to a party like the king and not even touch mine. Yeah.
How much are the games? How much is it?
8, but we can do 5.
Oh, it's 8. I'm sorry, I didn't even see that. Gotcha.
I think 20.
Yeah, she bought one
one for 5.
I would have given you 20.
Oh,
I just
no.
bought one for 5. Not as nice as that one, but it was nice. Here, Bob, I'll carry it.
How you guys doing today?
Good, how are you?
Doing good.
You got it? I'll grab it for you.
See that you had this weather today to finish your game?
How much are the jersey?
Yeah, that one's 5. The other shirts are 2.
Break it, I bought it. Alright, so that was 2, right? Or that was 3? Okay, so you eat. Do you have $2? There you go.
How you going, bud?
Morning.
Another day, another donut.
Oh
my
man,
Lord,
look
we
at
all
all the shit is. That is your area, Dave.
Oh my God, DVDs. I'm looking for Cars. You know the Disney movie Cars.
Alrighty.
Number 2.
Cars 2.
Cars 2. I'm looking for.
How much
I
are
got
your
number 1.
your box sets?
Box sets are $1.
$1 each.
Other movies are 50 cents each. 12 for $5. 25 for $10. So I see Cars here on Blu-ray. Here.
Okay.
Is this your personal collection or?
I am a collector. I buy in bulk and then
Gotcha.
get rid of stuff I don't want.
Yeah, that's what I do too. Yeah.
So kids films, most kids films are going to be on that table over there against the wall on that shelf. That's where most of the kids movies are.
Don't have any old guns?
No, sir.
Go ahead. You go right over to
If I make, have you double checked all these? Make sure that they're actually in the cases. You have? Okay, cool. So then I can.
Nothing annoys me more.
I know that's like my biggest pet peeve. My biggest pet peeve, man. Earwolf.
I spent the better part of a night going
If I give up when I move from North Carolina here,
So you just buy out big collections, huh?
Yeah, you know, people have like a tote for $10.
Yeah.
I'll get it, take the ones that I want, and get rid of this.
Do you have any horror stuff too?
And what?
Horror movies?
They'd be all mixed
Oh,
up.
just mixed in. Okay.
You have a channel?
I do. Yeah, it's called Picking and Punching. So I go to a lot of flea markets and yard sales and find stuff and just post online. People love it though. People love the hunt, I guess you could say.
I do enjoy
Yep,
that.
we all
Yeah.
love the hunt, that's for sure.
I like going to pawn shops and things like that, finding stuff on the
Oh man, Silverhawk.
They are 50 cents a piece, a dozen for $5, 25 for $10, box sets are $1.
Yeah, the best one is the one that in
any rhyme or reason how they're organized?
Oldsmar.
Any rhyme or reason how they're organized?
No, I just found them out.
I mean,
Have you been down to the place in Oldsmar?
Oh my
God. No, well, not, there's a flea market there, but no, what's the big place along here in 19 in Holiday that sells all the used stuff?
On there.
Said something, what's it called?
Not justified.
It's
St. Paul de Vincent?
well, it's something like that, okay? But, no, there's one right here on 19 at Holiday.
Oh my
The
God,
right
Mike
side there,
Dance.
a big one. What's it called?
Salvation Army.
Salvation Army.
I make regular
One-
stops at Salvation
The
Army.
one in Oldsmar beats that 3 times. You even sell cars down there. Yeah.
Do you have any pro wrestling that you remember seeing?
No, that I know. There's no wrestling. Thank you, sir. Fine.
So curious, how big's your collection now?
It's a room.
It's a whole room. I figured it would be. Because if you have this many extras,
I used to work
Then
in
you-
the film industry. And,
oh, okay, that makes total sense.
All right, Chris.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Thanks, bud. Thanks,
you.
guys.
all right. You have a good one.
You too, bud.
What kind of stuff did you do in the film industry?
I was an actor in the 80s and
Oh,
then
nice.
I worked in the production in the 90s.
Okay. Anything that I would know that you were in?
I was a bartender in a Kenny Rogers Gambler movie. I
Nice.
was on tour of duty for a year.
That's cool. How'd you get into that?
Just always liked movies and moved to LA and just kind of wandered into it. And then it's too competitive, so then I'm an artist, so I'm doing props and set decorations and stuff. I like that a lot more.
Yeah.
That was nice.
Gotcha. Yeah, it's a tough industry, man.
It is.
So I do independent professional wrestling.
Oh, okay.
So I'm a pro wrestler, and I used to travel over, and it's tough, man. Like the whole industry is just tough. People just don't know.
I have the set and fire damaged it.
Oh, nice.
So that was cool.
I don't want to
You're gonna need a box.
I am going to. My movie's over here.
Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna need a box.
Excuse me, sir. Yeah, so you have all this old anime in here.
Yeah, I have absolutely no interest in that. Every time I come across it,
Keep an eye out for anything Japanese animation, DVDs, magazines, books. It can bring really good money. So if you do find it, always look it up.
Oh my god, this whole table's filled with anime. How much were the single DVDs, by the way?
50 cents each.
They're 50 cents each. And then there's another 70.
Okay. So this is, we'll say, there's a little over 30, so we'll say 30. And there's 25 there, so 25, 25, 25, so 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I'll throw those in.
$70?
Yep. Need a box? A box down here.
No, I'm good. Actually, yeah, I'm definitely gonna get a box.
Yeah,
Uh,
done enough.
Change for 100.
I do. No, you won't.
How much are your gloves?
$8.
Bucks. How much is the Mets one?
That one is $20.
20 bucks.
I would say at a minimum 15.
Is it 3 for the pair? Or the,
Yeah, it is. Yeah. 11 bucks. That's a heck of a deal on a Nike glove.
Yeah.
Those things are like 80 bucks.
Yeah. And okay, one on me.
Thank you so much. You have a good day.
You too. All right, so this DVD pickup that we did was pretty epic. We paid $1 for box sets. Okay, so all the box sets were $1, and there are brand new box sets in here. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna lock them up. Like, some of these are brand new for $1. You cannot go wrong. The brand new DVDs sell really well. But the reason why I bought all these DVDs, we bought, I don't know, maybe 35, 38 box sets, and then we ended up buying about 100 something DVDs. But the big portion for those DVDs, like, here's one right here, Silverhawk right here. This right here probably sells about 15, 20 bucks. But there's a ton of animation in here. This Mad TV one's pretty cool looking. But there's a ton of animation, a lot of weird Japanese DVDs in here. So a lot of Japanese animation stuff that I'm not really familiar with, but I know I have dealt with in the past and sells really, really well. So what I'm going to do here is go through, I'll quick scan a lot of these. If I could sell them individually on eBay, I will. If I can't, I'll put a big lot of all the animation I have and just sell it as is. But we paid 70 bucks for this entire lot and this entire box. We're going to do really, really well on this. I'm thinking we should probably make 200-300 bucks on this lot. So we will see, but like here, brand new. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you guys like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Check out this other awesome video here that we had some great pickups at. And until next time,